my channel. So I literally have never worked as hard to get a stitch fix in my hands as I had to with this one. So a little bit of a backstory with this box. So my first box, like the first inception of this, was supposed to arrive 3 weeks ago. I got a notice from Stitch Fix's customer service saying apparently the box wasn't scanned before it left the warehouse, so it was basically lost in the ether. So they offered to restyle me and send me a quick box. They were thinking like within a week it should get to my house, which they did, but then this one was supposed to come, I think on Monday. It didn't get here until yesterday, which is Thursday, so 4 days late. It was just crazy. I don't know what's going on with Stitch Fix. Maybe it's just me. But in any event, here is my Stitch Fix for October. So if you guys are familiar with my channel, you know I'm in the process of eliminating all synthetics from my wardrobe. This involves saying goodbye to things like polyester, rayon, no more nylon, no more acrylic, in favor of natural fibers like cotton, especially linen, silk, some cashmere I can do. Some of it irritates my skin, modal, and tencel. So my stylist Jessica always does an amazing job given the constraints I put on her. I know I'm a challenging client just because of the requests that I make don't always reflect what is active in their current inventory. But the first thing I did ask her for was a pair of flared jeans. I'm all about like this 70s dynasty vibe lately. So she sent me this gorgeous crop pair, but love again, just the kicky vibe of these. I just literally feel like circa 1972 when I put these on. And I adore the crop. The fit of these was spot on. This is primarily cotton. It does have a touch of polyester and a touch of spandex, but the fit was so great and the price was so amazing that I literally could not resist these suckers. They also have a super high waist, so again, it just totally ties into like that vintagey boho vibe. Fix's inventory, Jessica was able to wrangle one 100% cotton top. This is from Velvet by Graham & Spencer, and I'm glad she sent this to me just because I've been really curious about trying this label out. Now it has this really cute embroidery on it, which I said I'm definitely a fan of. The cotton fabrication, you guys, this just feels so dreamy. The one thing I do not like about this top, number one, is the price tag, and here's why. I don't understand how any label or brand can justify a price tag like this when you go with an elasticized sleeve, so it doesn't even have a proper cuff. And I was just kind of like, okay, well maybe this is made in the USA, because oftentimes if it's a domestically made product, it does have a little bit higher of a price point, and it's not even made in the USA. So I'm kind of like confused, perplexed, like how in the world do they justify a price point like this? I get that it's 100% cotton. It is a beautiful fit and feel, and I think the embroidery is darling, but for the price, no. I had asked Jessica for were some boho inspired dresses that I can wear with boots and booties, and I've mentioned before, like for some reason I don't have anything like that in my current collection. And while she didn't see dresses that match that description, I totally can appreciate that she was going for that boho vibe when she chose this top here. Now this is 100% rayon, which I said I'm definitely actively trying to eliminate from my closet, but it was fun to try. It does have these tassels, which I just am not a fan of tassels on any of my tops or dresses, but it's got a very flowy fit to it. Obviously those colors are perfect for the transition into the fall season. And it does have like a really gorgeous drape, which rayon is known for. Now this does have an elasticized sleeve, which I just mentioned I do not like. I just want proper cuffs on my sleeves, but the price point was great. Again, I totally understood where she was going with this, and it was kind of fun to try because I never would have picked it out for myself. So while Jessica couldn't find any boho inspired dresses, she did send a dress. Now this is a super cozy fabrication. You guys, if you do not mind synthetics, this is a rayon poly spandex blend. You will love this dress by French Grey, which is a label that's made in the USA. Just super soft to the touch, has that brushed knit. There is some ribbing that goes along vertically all the way down to the end of the skirt, which hits me about right around the knee area, and I'm 5'4.5". And I really like the fact that it had this really nice, thicker crew neck. It just kind of adds like that special touch to this garment, I think, to give it a more upscale look. You know, this is perfect for the cooler weather. You can layer this sucker, especially as we start getting into the super cold season. Throw on some opaque tights, add a boot or bootie. You can even throw on a blazer. A cropped leather jacket would be delicious, and you are out the door. Okay, and finally, if there was one piece in this box where I was just like, oh, no. I think that happened in my fashion box and it happened in the Stitch Fix box. Now, let me just say one thing about these pants I'm about to show you. They are primarily cotton, which I totally appreciate Jessica going for, and they are a neutral tone, which I have said I tend to like in the cooler months. But you guys, this pair of pants from Dictionary, oh my gosh, like, these are mom pants. I put these pants on and I was like, where's my minivan? I'm ready for the PTA meeting. Here's what I'm talking about. It has a higher waist, which I love, but it's kind of like cinched. These gave me vibes from like circa 1991. You remember like when the mom khaki was all the rage? This is those pants coming back to haunt us. Now it does have a cuffed leg, which can be cute. I don't know if these are trying to be a skinny or straight. They just were not, no. They were not working for me. I felt so frumpy in them. I tried my best to like give them a little bit of oomph when I styled them. But in any event, if you like pants like this, I mean, they are comfortable, I'll give them that. And they have this cute little detail right at the waist, just like this fun little pattern, which just adds a little bit of zing to the garment. I think what I don't like about it is, while I'm a fan of neutrals in the colder months, I like a warm neutral. So these were actually a really good lesson for me because I realized I do not like ashy toned, cool neutrals. They're just like so drab. This literally looked like mud to me. I just, no. Okay, you guys, so that is it for this Stitch Fix. I actually ended up keeping the jeans just because I thought they were absolutely adorable. But I did get offered the chance to have a quick fix sent to me, so I definitely jumped on that, and I'm just not sure when it's supposed to arrive. Initially, they said it would arrive to me by October 30th. And then the next time I checked my account, it said it would be here by November 9th. But in any event, it is coming, stay tuned. Now, for my next couple fixes, I'm kind of changing my mindset because I realized I'm doing a really good job of getting like my winter essentials just by shopping on my own. And so I think from now on, what I'm gonna do with Stitch Fix is just kind of give my stylist a little bit more leeway in picking out some things that I normally would not go for myself. Now, I'm gonna request that she sticks with natural fibers. Just basically say like, send me fun stuff. Like, I just want fun stuff. Even if it's not seasonally appropriate, I'm all about building out my spring and summer wardrobe way ahead of time. So I think kind of like taking that approach will just result in a more interesting fix. And plus, I like the idea of being introduced to things that like normally I would not even want to try, but maybe I could open up my mind to. But in any event, if you guys are new to Stitch Fix and you want to give it a go, I do have a referral code down below. If you use it, it'll kick 25 bucks off your first fix, and it'll also give me a $25 credit to use on a future fix of my own. But in any event, thank you guys so much for spending your time with me today. I hope you're having a good one, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.